that a person is not a Muslim merely by pursuing certain rituals. A person is not a Muslim because he proclaims formally his belief, his so-called belief in certain verities. A Muslim is primarily a person who is the pilgrim of eternity, who tries to experience the eternal being that is God, and who tries to build up and transform his personality on that basis. Unless a person changes completely his mode of thinking and attitude towards the different values of life, he does not become a Muslim in the actual sense of the word or in the real sense of the word merely by reciting the kalimatul shahadah. The kalimatul shahadah is a sort of practice. When a child is born and the child grows, then the parents teach him how to speak the language which they speak. And in that connection, they make that child repeat times out of number, words after words, and the child falters and stammers, doesn't pronounce the words exactly as they want him to pronounce, but they do not lose hope. They continue to make him repeat those words in different contexts until without learning the grammar he can speak the language in all its conjugations properly. The same, my dear friends, is this exercise of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. I am not telling you here, don't misunderstand me, that the kalimatul shahadah, when expressed or uttered without understanding its true implications, is an act which is worthless. I am not saying that. What I am saying is that that is not the goal. In every journey there is a starting point. For every journey there is a means of communication or a vehicle. And in every journey there is a goal. So the starting point is merely the recital with goodwill and with clear conscience, the kalimatul shahadah. The vehicle with which this journey as pilgrim of eternity, this journey is undertaken, is the vehicle of the model or the example of the Holy Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. As we have been told, لَقَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ فِي رَسُولِ اللَّهِ أُسْوَةٌ حَسَنَةٌ. In the life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He has placed for us the model which we have got to imitate. This is the vehicle for the journey to eternity. Every one of us is on the road to it. The Muslim and the Hindu and the Christian and the atheist. They are all governed by an immutable law. They were sent down here to the earth to perform a certain function under the law of God, whether they perform it correctly or not, whether they remain here in this world guided or misguided, whether they take to the right path or to the wrong path, they will still have to move They can't just stay behind. As the Holy Quran says, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. It is not only the Muslims who are Inna lillah, Tawan aw karhan, by free choice or being dragged by the neck. Every human being is heading towards that day and that occasion when he will have to stand before his Creator and render his account. This world is for God because this world has been created by God. This world is owned by God without any partner. He is wahdahu la sharika lahu. He doesn't own it in partnership with anyone so that the partner can also have a say in the matter. Not at all. And because he owns this world, he owns all human beings, and he owns the lives of all human beings, and he owns the destiny of all human beings. Inna lillah. And this entire caravan of mankind is heading towards him. It cannot stop. Whether a Hindu or a Muslim, whether a Christian or an atheist, anybody he may be, we are all heading towards him. Inna ilayhi raji'un.